Hey there, fellow traders. Are you tired of seeing uninspiring results in your trading? Well, guess what? You're not alone. It's a common struggle faced by many in the trading world. But fear not, because I have an exciting solution for you. Artificial intelligence automated trading. Imagine having your very own team of expert advisors working tirelessly for you. These amazing algorithms monitor multiple currency pairs, analyzing the markets in a flash. They're like superheroes, sniffing out profitable opportunities faster than a speeding bullet. No emotions to cloud their judgment, just pure data-driven decision-making. And here's where things get really interesting. Let's say you start with $5,000 and achieve monthly returns of 15% to 20%. Brace yourself for this mind-blowing fact. In just 4 short years, you could amass over $1 million. Now that's some serious wealth-building potential, my friend. But of course, it requires consistency and the right tools. That's where AI comes in. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, you tilt the odds dramatically in your favor. Trading challenges, with AI on your side, you become a force to be reckoned with. You take control of your financial destiny and make those dreams a reality. But wait, the excitement doesn't end there. For a limited time, we're offering an invincible 20% discount on our legendary Gold Miner EA and Golden Deer indicator. We're talking exclusive, top-of-the-line tools here that could transform your trading success in the blink of an eye. But you gotta act fast, because this offer won't last forever. Once it's gone, you'll have to pay full price. And trust me, you don't want to miss out on these keys to your future trading triumphs. So, what are you waiting for? Visit bestmount4ea.com right now to lock in your exclusive savings and unleash the power of automated trading. Your trading journey is about to take a thrilling turn. Don't let this golden opportunity slip through your fingers. Seize it with both hands and make those trading dreams come true.